Discover precision and versatility with the pinnacle of short game mastery, the best golf wedges. Engineered for control in bunkers, roughs, and around the greens, these wedges redefine accuracy and elevate your game. There are many products available to choose golf wedges, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best golf wedges from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wilson Harmonized Golf Wedges. Step onto the green with confidence using a club that epitomizes finesse and precision. Crafted with a classic high-polish finish and boasting a timeless blade shape, this club isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a golfer's ally in pursuit of perfection. Designed for precision, it's the ideal companion for those crucial moments when you need to nestle your ball closer to the pin. The true temper steel irons incorporated into its build ensure not just high performance but unwavering reliability, making each swing a testament to consistency and accuracy. What sets this club apart is its soul grind, a masterstroke that allows players to finesse their shots by opening the club face wider. This subtle adjustment empowers golfers to achieve higher shots with pinpoint accuracy, a game changer in enhancing overall performance. Moreover, the blade shape boasts modified bounce angles, an innovation that doesn't just stop the ball dead, but also offers unparalleled versatility. Whether navigating the sand, rough, or fairway, this club adapts seamlessly, ensuring every shot is met with the ideal spin and control. In a game where precision and adaptability reign supreme, this club stands as a testament to innovation. Number 2. Lazarus Premium Forged Golf Wedge. Introducing the Lazarus Premium Forged Golf Wedge, a game changer in the world of golf equipment. Crafted with precision and innovation, this wedge stands as a testament to excellence, designed to elevate your short game to new heights. What sets the Lazarus wedge apart is its commitment to craftsmanship. Meticulously forged with premium materials, each wedge embodies durability and performance, ensuring consistency in every swing. The meticulous attention to detail in its construction guarantees reliability, shot after shot, making it an indispensable asset on the course. It's not just about durability. This wedge boasts a design that champions versatility. Whether you're navigating bunkers, conquering the rough, or aiming for the perfect shot from the fairway, the Lazarus wedge delivers unparalleled control and spin. Its refined blade shape and modified bounce angles allow for dead stop spins, ensuring precise control over each shot. What truly distinguishes the Lazarus Premium Forged Golf Wedge is its ability to cater to golfers of all skill levels. From seasoned pros seeking that extra edge to beginners honing their short game, this wedge becomes an invaluable companion, offering the precision and reliability needed to refine one's skills. In a realm where precision and control dictate success, the Lazarus wedge emerges as a beacon of innovation and excellence. Number 3. C3I Wedge Premium Sand Wedge. Meet the game-changing C3I Wedge, a premium sand and lob wedge designed to revolutionize your short game. Engineered to tackle the challenges of bunkers and tight spots around the green, this wedge stands out for its innovation and performance. What sets the C3I Wedge apart is its unique design, crafted to simplify those tricky shots. The extra-wide sole and auto-glide technology ensure smooth movement through sand and rough patches, making those intimidating shots feel effortless. Its smart engineering minimizes the need for precise technique, making it an excellent choice for golfers of varying skill levels. With the C3I wedge in hand, navigating bunkers and achieving higher, softer landings becomes second nature. Say goodbye to the frustrations of tricky lies and welcome a wedge that redefines precision and ease around the green, enhancing your overall golfing experience. Number 4. Square Strike Wedge Pitching and Chipping Wedge. Introducing the Square Strike Wedge, a game-changing innovation in the realm of pitching and chipping. This wedge redefines precision and consistency around the greens, offering golfers a reliable solution for those critical short game shots. What sets the Square Strike Wedge apart is its unique square-shaped design, engineered to simplify the short game. With an emphasis on technique refinement, this wedge minimizes the margin for error, ensuring a more straightforward and more consistent impact. Whether you're facing a tricky chip over a bunker or a delicate pitch to a tight pin, this wedge's smart engineering provides the confidence needed to execute those shots flawlessly. Its specialized design promotes clean contact and precise loft, making it an invaluable tool for golfers seeking to elevate their short game performance. Embrace the Square Strike Wedge and say goodbye to the uncertainties of chipping and pitching. Experience a new level of control and reliability around the greens, making every shot an opportunity for precision and success. Number 5. XE1 Sand Wedge and Lob Wedge. Enter the XE1 Sand and Lob Wedge, a game-transforming innovation reshaping the short game in golf. Designed to navigate the trickiest sand traps and deliver precise shots around the greens, this wedge stands as a testament to innovation and performance. What makes the XE1 wedges stand out is its revolutionary design. Engineered with precision and expertise, its sole features an innovative design that effortlessly glides through sand and rough, minimizing the fear of bunker shots. Moreover, its loft and weight distribution ensure higher, softer landings, giving golfers an edge when faced with challenging lies. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an amateur honing your skills, the XE1 wedge simplifies your short game. Say goodbye to the anxiety of sand shots and welcome a wedge that promises consistency and control, ultimately transforming your approach to the greens. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.